You drive me crazy. Oh! I'm sorry. What happened? I just went to heaven, that's what. This is my dream. I am a donut freak, and wait, hold on, let me get in there. Yeah, it's subtle. It's not like as strong as the like chocolate palettes, but I'll take it. And let's just get into it. If you didn't see part 1, go ahead, watch part 1. It has the Bake Shop trio. This is Son of a Nutcracker. You know, let me swatch that again. I want to see, because this is important too. Okay, that is a little better pigment. The one I tried out in the Too Faced, I also did this one. Oh my God, things are flying at me. Hot, so hot, you're so hot. The light color was a little transparent and just not the best. So I'm glad this is better. Tinsel in a Twist. I'm going to do a few. Then Ho Ho Nut. Okay, okay. Then Drummer Girl. And then Maple Bar. Very pretty. All of these, I mean, this year, I feel like they're really nailing the opacity, the pigment, whatever. I'm not mad at any of it. We're going to go to the next. If you're a neutral girl, you're set for life right here. This is Bake It Happen. Let's see. Sometimes you got to get past that first layer to see the true deal. That one almost seems not as good. We have to see it on the eye. I will do videos of these on my face, but that isn't that impressive to me so far. This is such a snowflake. I don't know. That would be a nice, it's subtle. That'd be a good topper, I feel like, maybe. Oh, bad things are happening over there. Ra, pa, pum, pum. Oh, ra, pum, 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 pum. I was like, ra, ra, pum, 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 me and my drum. There we go. I'm going to do Dough What Fun. That'd be a nice lid color. Pretty. And then this one's a fun little like jelly. Oh, Jam Packed it's called. There it is. That's a nice little jelly. That's a good autumn color too. I'm going to definitely rock that for fall too. All right, let's go. I thought, gosh, I'm just using up these wipes. My arm is sad, in a sad state right now. All right, this is Butter Half. I hope you work well because I really like you. A lot of fallout when I'm doing that. You know, some of their light ones aren't the best, but it's okay. Looks decent. Chocolate Hunk. We're going to just go for it. Santa Claus. Oh, I love the finish on this. Let me show you real quick. It's almost like a very, very subtle shimmer. And then Oh, Whole Unite, like whole, in a donut. Pretty. And Chestnuts Roasting on an open fire. I mean, so far, pretty good. I'm impressed with most of them. A couple of the light ones have to see on the face. S'more to Love, For Sure, like F-I-R, For Sure. Twinkle Sprinkle, Blueberry, say that 5 times fast. Blueberry Blitzen, and To All a Good Night, okay? I'm just gonna lay these out. Oh, the For Sure is interesting, a really pretty color. That's pretty. Twinkle Sprinkle, nice little gold. The blue is very nice. The Blueberry Okay. Oh, I like these colors a lot. Hold on. Let's get in there. This color is kind of unique. It's really pretty. I like you guys. I like you. I'm going to hang out with all y'all. I don't have enough eyes for all this. Okay. Let's finish up with our 4. You get 4 blushes. This is Pink Poinsettia. Then we have Drive Me Glazy. And we have Kissmas. Boop. And then Fond fond of you. Very funny. So there are your, I'm trying to think, which one do I like? I think I like Pink Poinsettia the most. And it's the least kind of opaque, which is good for me because guess what, guys? Guess what? I'm a little on the pasty side, especially when winter really hits. Let's just do a little bit of this. Ooh, yeah, it's a good flush of color. Woo! Liven me right up. So there it is. Beautiful palette. Beautiful pigment in most of the colors. A couple of the lighter ones. But isn't that like the way? Comment below if you have like an ivory or some sort of lighter color that you absolutely love. I would love to hear it. I would love to hear what you guys like for that, especially if it's like a single. Because I don't want to buy a whole palette, but I really like one that has really good pigment. All right, let's get to, so that comes with this killer liner. I've never used that before. 36 hour. Y'all, if you're partying for 36 hours, you need to evaluate your life. 36-hour wear. Like, who wants to wear something for 36 hours? Comment below on that. I don't know. Even at my wildest times in my 20s, I wasn't wearing anything for 36 hours except the scent of booze and lost dreams. All right. This is Killer Black. Oh, very, very pigmented, very smooth. And it is, I guess, this is weird. It's not a roll-up. Is it? I'm going to have to fight with this later. It definitely doesn't, you can't sharpen it. How do you do this thing? All right, we'll figure it out later. If you know, comment. I want lots of comments. Tell me about all the things. And then another mascara, like I said. All right, let's go into the freebies I got, which is awesome. I didn't even know until I was like checking out that there were freebies. And I got a couple of them. They have some cute mirrors, don't they? All right, well, okay, so there's my mess below. Sorry, I'm trying not to blind you. There we go. So cute. And you can lean it on your desk. Like set it up on its stand. So you can bring it with you and be like, mirror, mirror of them all. Wait, why can't I speak today? Mirror, mirror on the wall, but it's not. So there goes my joke. Who's the fairest of them all? Maybe not me. Maybe not today. Very cute. I love getting a freebie, especially when it's like, you know, something bigger, not just like a little sample like these, though I will take these. All right, what else did I get? I got a Born This Way sample. I think I've tried that and didn't like it. I've never tried their lip injection, I don't think, Extreme. My lips might be a little cuckoo crazy after using them. We'll see. I don't know. I'm not big on the tingle. Do you like the little tingly ones? I don't know. I'm not a big fan. And this is Hangover X Pillow Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment. Oh, now that I can. Pillow balm, a lip treatment, I can get on board with. Let's see what this looks like. You smell like something, but I can't put my finger on it. Cherry? Some sort of fruity? Smells good. I'll have to check the ingredients. Sometimes I slather things on myself and they have avocado. I don't know if you guys I did a video with that where I actually put it on and was like, oh my God. And I looked at things because I felt like it was not right. And I looked at it as avocado and I'm allergic. So that was a fun voyage in the bathroom, scrubbing my lips. Oh, I don't need to open this. This is just another Better Than Sex. So we have 3 Better Than Sex, like, samples. Actually, this is a small size. I forget if the other ones. Yeah, there's a slight difference. Right? Yeah, a little bigger. And then, is that it? That's it. Amazing. That's not it. That's a lot. That's a lot. So if you didn't see my part A, go check that out. Hit the notification bell if you're a subscriber already to make sure you get my video notifications. And she's back. And if you're not subscribed, come hither. There's videos like this. I've been doing like a little declutter. I'm going to speed that up because I have a lot to declutter. So we're going to do declutter. And I'm also starting a podcast, mostly toward busy moms, but even if you're not a mom, you will get stuff out of it about setting boundaries, about balancing life, about having fun and being able to add peace in your life and not like stress and drama and all that. There's lots of stuff coming up. So subscribe, say hello in the comments. I want to know you. This is a community. That is my favorite part of YouTube. So I love when I can actually see who's there and say hello and get to know you guys too. So leave a comment, send some love, a little thumbs up, never hurt anybody, and I will see you in the next video. Deuces.